Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this stock report for Ford. The report was first published on our website Thursday, August 11, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Our aim is to help you answer the question, should I buy or sell Ford? In this video, you will get insight into the technical and fundamental situation and future price predictions. Please remember to subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since July 22, 2022, our system ranks the Ford stock as a sell candidate, giving it a score of 4.927. If you were following our analysis, you would have had an amazing gain of 23.48% since we first told you to buy Ford 15 days ago. This is an average return of 1.57% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Ford, our last headline reads, Green Day on Thursday for Ford stock after gaining 2.13%. The Ford stock price gained 2.13% on the last trading day, Thursday, August 11, 2022, rising from $15.50 to $15.83. And has now gained 3 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 1.99% from a day low at $15.61 to a day high of $15.92. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 13.07% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by -10 million shares, and in total, 61 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $973.11 million. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $25.87, and the lowest price was $10.61. Right now the price is 38.81%, or $10.04, below 52-week high at $25.87, which also is all-time high for the stock. The stock has broken the very wide and strong rising the short-term trend up, and an even stronger rate of rising is indicated. For any reaction back, there will now be support on the roof on the current trend broken at $15.09, a level that may pose a second chance to hit a runner. According to fan theory, $18.48 will be the next possible trend top level and thereby pose a resistance level that may not be broken at the first attempt. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 11.48% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -17.52% and 6.29%. The 12-month trend indicates a -12.50% change over the next 12 months, with a possible return between -48.47% and 28.76%. This equals a price between $8.16 and $20.38 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. From analysts, Ford stock received a general strong buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the Ford stock a neutral rating. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for Ford. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the stock. Mostly positive signals in the chart today. The Ford stock holds by signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $15.52 and $12.97. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, July 6, 2022, and so far it has risen 43.13%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price, and it may be an early warning. The stock should be watched closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a buy signal. Pivots gave a buy signal 27 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 15 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 19 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 17 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a sell signal 22 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 12 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 7 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Ford. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $14 and $13.50. There is natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, Ford finds support just below today's level at $14. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $13.50 and $12.44. This stock may move much during the day, volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock moved 31 cents between high and low, or 1.99%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 2.66%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Ford. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Ford currently has a price-earning ratio of 5.10. This is a relatively low price-to-earnings ratio and either signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or that the stock is undervalued and could indicate a buying opportunity. Here are some possible good day trading levels. The stock does not have any resistance from accumulate volume above and may therefore move very fast upwards given the right conditions. You should therefore enter the stock and use volume to determine when to exit. On a downturn, Ford finds first level of support at $14, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. In the table we have listed other potential swing trading levels based on the famous Fibonacci model. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Ford is strong buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. On August 1, 2022, English Alexandra Ford made an inside buy of 10,267 of common stock, 1 cent par value. On June 1, 2022, Weymire John B. made an inside buy of 1,012 of Ford stock units. On June 1, 2022, Vojvodik Lin M. made an inside buy of 866 of Ford stock units. On June 1, 2022, Weinberg John S. made an inside buy of 1,299 of Ford stock units. On June 1, 2022, Thornton John L. made an inside buy of 2,440 of Ford stock units. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be positive at a ratio of 48.447. In total, the insiders bought 3,686,182 and sold 1,270,586 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is $15.36, minus 3%. This stock has high daily movements and this gives high risk. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 26 days ago. Is Ford stock a buy? Several short-term signals are positive and the stock has broke the rising trend up, which indicates an even stronger rate of rising. We conclude at the current level may hold a buying opportunity as there is a fair chance for Ford stock to perform well in the short-term period. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Friday 12th, we expect Ford to open down $0.0433 and start trading at $15.79. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. And remember to subscribe to the channel to get all the latest videos and updates.